A majority of the Supreme Court justices appeared skeptical of striking down a law that would force TikTok to divest from its Chinese owners. The law would force the platform off of major app stores if China-based ByteDance does not relinquish its ownership. While justices appeared skeptical about striking down the law, the conversation that unfolded revealed a variety of ways that the social media platform could survive in the United States. Representing TikTok, former Trump administration Solicitor General Noel Francisco argued the law targets the platform's ability to curate and disseminate content, constituting a direct burden on free speech. Francisco contended that TikTok's algorithm, which tailors content to its users, represents editorial discretion protected by the First Amendment.
The government's real target, rather, is the speech itself. It's fear that Americans, even if fully informed, could be persuaded by Chinese misinformation.
Chief Justice John Roberts pressed Francisco on TikTok's Chinese ownership, citing congressional concerns over ByteDance's ties to Beijing.
Are we supposed to ignore the fact that the ultimate parent is in fact subject to doing intelligence work for the Chinese government?
The Justice Department has argued that TikTok possesses a grave threat, citing its vast trove of user data from 170 million Americans. Solicitor General Elizabeth Prelogar stressed the platform's potential to serve as a tool for Chinese espionage or blackmail. Justice Neil Gorsuch questioned whether these concerns apply uniquely to TikTok, noting that all social media platforms engage in opaque editorial decisions.
If that's true, then wouldn't that be true for all social media companies, for all content? I mean, every editor, every newspaper in its editorial room makes decisions about what it's going to run and how it's going to say it, and every algorithm has preferences, whether it's domestic or foreign. And nobody really knows exactly when those editorial decisions are being made or how.
Justice Brett Kavanaugh inquired about TikTok's fate after the January 19 deadline. Francisco warned of an imminent shutdown, but noted the possibility of relief under President-elect Donald Trump, who has expressed interest in saving the platform.
That's one of the reasons why I think it makes perfect sense to issue a preliminary injunction here and simply buy everybody a little breathing space.
The court's decision could have broader implications, not only for TikTok, but also for the broader debate over free speech and foreign influence in the digital age.